Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x is equal to 9 to the power 9. Taking common 3 to the power x, we can write here 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to, here we can write 3 square because 3 square is same as 9 whole to the power 9, or 3x times 3 is equal to 3, 9 times 2 is equal to 18. Or here we can apply a exponents rule when a to the power m times a to the power n, then a to the power m plus n. Apply this rule here, we can write 3 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power 18. Or there are same base but different powers, so we can write here x plus 1 is equal to 18. This 1 get to right side, we can get x is equal to 18 minus 1, so the value of x is equal to 17.